Hey, what's up guys, I'm Jagat and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you all the problems that I faced with Apache RR 310. So let's get started. Okay guys, the first problem I would say is the pillion seat. The pillion seat actually locks properly, but if you all have a closer look, it has got some gaps on the sides. It looks awkward. Because of the gap, water may get inside. Even if the water gets inside, it will come out, no issues. The finish is not at all proper. I mailed TVS regarding this issue and got response from them. Luckily for me, during my first service, a person who works in the Hosur factory came and inspected my bike and noted down the measurements, and he told he'll forward to the concerned team. So I hope that the seat will be adjusted. Okay guys, now moving on to the next one. There is some annoying sound coming from the chain. When I release the accelerator and when the vehicle is moving, we get some kind of knocking sound. The sound is somewhat like tok tok tok. If the road is not smooth and when we go on speed breakers, the sound can be clearly heard and the sound is really annoying. The sound can be clearly heard when you are driving it alone. Even in doubles also the sound comes, but we may not be able to hear the sound clearly. But in singles the sound can be heard clearly. If you all see, the problem is right from the time I got the bike delivered. Actually, when the bike had run about 400 kilometers, I took it to the showroom, got it checked. They drove the bike and they adjusted the chain. But now I have done about 1000 kilometers and first service is done, and still that sound is there. It feels really irritating while we are driving the bike. I guess chain might touch some part of the mudguard or somewhere and we get that noise. In fact, when I took my bike for first service and I told this complaint, they also told that the other bikes which had come for service have also raised the same complaint, that they are getting some noise in the chain. Moving on to next one, there is actually some slight lag in the instrument cluster. If you all see, I have already spoken about this in the delivery video also. When we engage the gear, so it actually takes about a fraction of a second to indicate in the gear shift indicator. So this is another thing to notice. Okay guys, now coming to the turning radius of this bike. So initially I found it difficult for parking or while making U-turn. Once I got used to this bike, there was no issue. So it will actually take some time to get used to the turning radius. So once we are used to it, there will be no issues with it. Okay, now coming to vibrations. There is vibrations once you go past 3-figure mark. Okay guys, moving on to the next one. If you all see, traffic conditions, actually the arm gets tired very quickly. While we are moving, we won't be able to feel any pain. But in stop and go traffic conditions, the arm gets tired very quickly. We get pain in the forearms. This lack of slipper clutch can be clearly felt. So from 6th gear, if you are downshifting like 3 times very quickly, instead of coming to 3rd gear, it just reduces 2 gears. So hopefully TVS brings slipper clutch to Apache RR 310 very soon. Okay guys, that's it from this video. If you all find this video useful, hit that thumbs up button. And in case you all don't like this video, hit that dislike button. If you all have any questions or you all want me to make any specific videos, you all have the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.